What if I told you that it's possible to make money without being present all the time? No schedules, no reporting to anyone, and with the freedom to decide how to live your days. This is not a distant dream. It's an achievable reality if you know where to start. In this video, I will show you 15 passive businesses that generate income automatically and that, surprisingly, very few people talk about. Pay close attention, because any of these could be the first step toward your financial freedom. That being said, let's begin. Business 1. Outdoor LED advertising screens. Did you know you can make money by turning a simple wall into a constant source of income? Outdoor LED advertising screens transform underused spaces, such as facades, rooftops, or visible storefronts, into profitable opportunities. They work by displaying ads from local businesses, events, or brands, attracting attention in high-traffic areas. The initial investment will depend on the type of screen you want. These screens are made up of panels, and each panel starts at around $200. This means that if your screen has more than 10 panels, it will cost more than $3,000. But once you have the panels, all you need is a strategic location, either owned or rented, and the corresponding municipal permits. Many systems include scheduling software, although some require a minimum subscription to access more advanced features. The best part is that you can manage everything from your phone or computer. The system runs automatically, showing the scheduled ads without you having to be there. It only requires occasional maintenance, making it an ideal source of passive income for those looking to scale without complications. Ready for a more accessible yet equally profitable idea? Let's move on to the next one. Business 2. Smart lockers for rent, Asian style. What if you could offer secure storage with a technological touch? Smart lockers, inspired by countries like Japan, allow people to safely store their belongings in busy places such as shopping malls, stations, or universities, with access through an app or touchscreen. A small locker system costs between $2,000 and $5,000, depending on size and technology. You will need a lease contract for a strategic location, as well as electrical and internet connections. Payments and access are automatic, handled by apps or digital codes. Maintenance is minimal, requiring only periodic inspections, which makes it a high-demand, low-effort business. We all know that personal hygiene is essential, and you can turn it into a business. Business 3. Vending machines for personal hygiene products. Would you like to cover an essential need while generating constant income? Vending machines for hygiene products such as sanitary pads, tampons, or wet wipes, installed in public restrooms, shopping malls, bars, or nightclubs, are practical and profitable. These machines cost between $1,500 and $5,000, with discounts available for bulk purchases. You'll need agreements with property owners for installation. The machines accept coins, cards, or mobile payments. With automated payment systems and low maintenance, you'll only need to restock every 2 weeks, reducing your involvement. The constant demand for hygiene products ensures stable income. Let's move on to a business idea that is more common than you might think. Business 4. Reselling products with private label rights. Have you ever thought about making money by selling digital products without having to create them yourself? With private label rights products, you can do exactly that. These are ebooks, courses, audios, or other digital materials that you buy with a license to sell as if they were your own, under your own brand. The initial investment is low. You can find packages from as little as $10 to $200 depending on the quality and quantity of content. All you need is an online store, like Shopify or Gumroad, to host the products, automate sales, and manage payments. That said, it's essential to carefully read the terms of each license to make sure you can modify, resell, or rebrand the content without breaking any rules. Once you set up the store and automate the process, everything flows on its own. Customers buy, download, and you generate income without being present. You'll only need to check for updates or respond to occasional questions. It's a scalable and legal way to enter the digital world with little risk. The next business is related to the world of perfumes, but with a differentiating touch. Business 5. AI-powered personalized perfume kiosks. What if you could offer unique fragrances effortlessly? You can achieve this with automated kiosks that instantly create personalized perfumes based on customer preferences and dispense decants of well-known fragrances in just seconds. A kiosk costs from $1,000 upwards, including AI software and fragrance dispensers. Install them in shopping malls or luxury stores, ensuring access to electricity. This business is ideal for you because it is completely automated, with no need for staff. It only requires restocking fragrance oils periodically, with remote monitoring for smooth operation. If you've ever thought about starting a business in the food industry, the next idea is exactly what you've been looking for. Business 6. Automatic ramen or fast food machines. Do you want to make money while others enjoy a hot meal in seconds? Automatic ramen or fast food machines are a modern and profitable solution. They work by preparing instant meals with just the addition of hot water, and they're perfect for locations such as universities, offices, stations, or other high-traffic areas. The best part is that they operate on their own. The customer selects the dish from a touchscreen, pays instantly, and the machine does the rest. You only need to restock ingredients every 1 or 2 weeks and perform occasional maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. The cost? You can start with simpler models from around $3,000 or invest in more advanced versions with greater capacity or more variety of dishes for a higher price. All you need is a reliable electrical connection and agreements with property owners to install it in the right spot. It's the perfect combination of fast food, automation, and steady profits, without you having to stand in front of the stove. Electric bicycles and scooters have something in common. They need to be recharged. And that's exactly what the next business idea is all about. Business 7. Charging stations for electric scooters or bicycles. More and more people are using electric scooters or bicycles, and often they can't find where to charge them. Here lies a clear opportunity: installing charging stations for this type of sustainable transportation. They are ideal for residential areas, universities, offices, or any location with heavy user traffic. You can start with small stations of 5 to 10 ports, which cost just over $1,000. There are also solar-powered options, although they are a bit more expensive. What's important is to choose strategic locations and ensure that the chargers are compatible with most devices. The best part is that the whole system can operate automatically. Users pay from their phone or with a card, and you can monitor usage remotely. You only need to perform maintenance from time to time. Plus, since it's an eco-friendly service, you can attract sponsorships or support from companies that want to be associated with sustainable initiatives. Now let's move on to a business that is currently gaining a lot of traction. Business 8. Selling premium. Prompts for artificial intelligence. There are people looking for ways to save time when using artificial intelligence, but they don't know exactly what to write to get good results. That's where the opportunity lies. Selling already optimized prompts for specific tasks such as marketing, writing, or programming. You only need to create clear, well-designed instructions that guide the AI to deliver exactly what the user needs. You can sell them on platforms like PromptBase or from your own website. The investment is minimal, especially if you decide to build your own store, though you can also start for free by using open tools and selling on digital marketplaces. The best part is that you only create them once. After that, they can be sold as many times as needed without you having to intervene. The platforms handle payments, deliveries, and the entire process. You just need to update the content from time to time. The next business I'll show you has allowed many people to generate income without having to be music experts. Business 9. Selling sound effects or music loops. What if you could make money while others enjoy music and sounds without you being present? Producing and selling sound effects or music loops is the perfect opportunity for this. You can create your own audio and upload it to platforms like Audio Jungle or Pond5, where they sell over and over again. You only need a low investment, about $100 if you don't already have basic software or recording equipment. Once you upload your high-quality files, the platforms take care of sales and distribution. The best part is that you only create the content once, and you generate passive income every time someone downloads your work. You'll only need to add new audio from time to time to keep your portfolio fresh. But if you want something that gets people moving and makes you money, the next business is for you. Business 10. Phone charging panels with advertising. Do you want to make money with something you can install in public spaces and that many people use every day? Phone charging panels with USB ports and advertising screens are an ideal option. They allow people to charge their devices for free, while you get paid to display ads on the screen. The initial investment can start from around $200 depending on the model and whether you choose solar options. You just need to place them in high-traffic areas such as parks, fairs, or plazas, and use software to manage ads automatically. The best part is that everything works by itself. Both charging and advertising are controlled automatically, and you only need to do occasional maintenance and update the ads to keep them attractive. This way, you reduce your effort and generate passive income. Would you like to take advantage of the delivery boom? Then listen to this. Business 11. Electric cargo bike rentals for delivery drivers. What if you could support delivery drivers while generating income? Yes, renting out electric cargo motorcycles to delivery drivers could be your next smart move. These electric motorcycles offer a cheaper alternative to gas-powered bikes, and more delivery drivers prefer them to make quick deliveries without high fuel or maintenance costs. With an initial investment of around $1,000 per motorcycle, you can start with a small fleet of 5 to 10 units. In addition, you'll need a digital platform, whether an app or a simple website, to manage bookings and payments. And here's the best part. Since rentals are scheduled and paid for automatically, your role is reduced to providing occasional support and performing basic maintenance. It's a scalable model that runs almost on its own. What happens when technology combines with looking good? In the next business, I'll explain it to you. Business 12. K-Beauty. Automatic facial analysis booths. Do you want to make money while people improve their skin with cutting-edge technology? K-Beauty style facial analysis booths are revolutionizing personal care. These machines scan the face, detect wrinkles, clogged pores, spots, or oil, and recommend personalized products in just seconds. Everything is automated, with no need to be an expert in cosmetics. They're ideal for shopping malls, beauty stores, or high-traffic areas. Users love seeing a detailed diagnosis of their skin, and you can charge per session or even link it to the sale of recommended products. The best part, they work on their own. They only require electricity, an internet connection, and replenishing promotional materials from time to time. The AI-powered software does the rest. You can get started with $400 using models that include everything you need. It's a modern, automated business, perfect for the experiential retail world. The business you're about to discover has become indispensable at any event today, and you can make it yours too. Business 13. 360-degree rotating platforms for photos. Did you know that capturing epic slow-motion moments has become one of the favorite attractions at events? 360-degree rotating platforms are a hit at weddings, birthdays, corporate parties, and all types of celebrations. Guests step on, a camera spins around them, and records a slow-motion video that looks perfect for social media. Viral content guaranteed. With an initial investment starting from $150, you can get a complete platform with software, camera support, and smartphone compatibility. It's portable, easy to transport, and very simple to install. The best part? You can rent it out without an operator. Bookings and payments are made online, and setup only takes a few minutes. Thanks to its visual impact, demand stays constant. A modern, profitable idea, perfect for those who want passive income while others have fun. Looking for something even more innovative? The next business works very well. Business 14. Wi-Fi vending machines. Imagine making money by offering internet, without having to be there to connect it. Wi-Fi vending machines make it possible for anyone to connect to high-speed internet in public spaces, such as stations, shopping malls, or tourist areas. They only need to pay with coins or through an app, and in seconds, they're online. And you? You generate income without being present. These machines cost from around $200 and up, depending on the model and capacity. They come equipped with all the necessary hardware to provide connectivity, and all you need is a good installation point and a contract with a local internet provider. The rest is managed remotely. Monitoring, payments, connection control, everything is automated. They only require occasional maintenance, which makes them a constant and passive source of income. And finally, here's a way to generate passive income without taking on much risk. Business 15. Investing in bonds. Did you know that you can also generate income without selling, producing, or serving customers? If you're looking for a calm, stable, and profitable idea, investing in bonds might be exactly what you need. Bonds are financial instruments that pay you interest periodically. In other words, you lend money, and in exchange, you receive monthly or quarterly payments known as coupons. It's a way to generate steady income without the volatility of stocks. You can start with an initial investment of as little as $500 on platforms like Mintos, where you choose bonds according to your profile and the level of risk you're willing to take. There are more conservative bonds and others with higher returns, up to 10% annually. And the best part is that once you invest, the money works for you. The platforms handle everything: management, payments, monitoring. You just need to do solid research at the beginning and then enjoy the constant flow of income. An ideal option if you're looking for financial stability without having to oversee a business every day. And there you have it, a journey through 15 ideas that could mark a before and after in your path toward economic independence. It's not about jumping in without thinking, but about choosing strategically and taking firm steps. Did one of these stick in your mind? Which one would you like to explore first? I'll be reading your comments below. If this content inspired you or gave you an idea, share it. And if you want to keep discovering more opportunities like these, you already know what to do. Subscribe and stay tuned for what's coming next. See you next time.